Hello, and welcome to our discussion on AI image generators. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and explore how these tools are revolutionizing the way we create and generate images. AI image generators are software programs designed to generate images that appear realistic and natural. They work by analyzing large amounts of data, such as photographs or videos, and using advanced algorithms to mimic the characteristics of human vision. There are several types of AI image generators, including 1. Generative adversarial network GANs. These networks are comprised of two neural networks, a generative model and a discriminative model. The generative model takes in some input data and produces a synthetic image, while the discriminative model helps the generative model to learn the correct distribution of data. 2. Deep learning algorithms. These algorithms use multiple layers of artificial neural networks to analyze input data and generate images that closely resemble the original input. 3. Retinal imagery. This type of AI image generator uses specialized cameras to analyze the human eye and generate realistic images that closely mimic the appearance of real-life retinal images. One of the major benefits of AI image generators is their ability to reduce the time and effort required to create high-quality images. Instead of having to shoot and edit photographs, AI generators can quickly produce realistic images that can be used in various contexts, such as social media, advertising, and more. In conclusion, AI image generators are revolutionizing the way we create and generate images by providing us with powerful tools for creating realistic and natural-looking content. As technology continues to advance, we can expect AI image generators to play an even more significant role in our daily lives.